devotion to Santo Padre Pio is exhibited in the Church, not only from the Archdiocese of Lipa, but even from other ecclesiastical provinces of the country. Exceptional number of devotees to Santo Padre Pio come to this church. This was the strongest argument for the approval of this church to become a national shrine.
Nais ibahagi sa inyong lahat